Now we will see how the sweep command is used. Here you can see there is a path, and over the complete path there is a cross section, hexagonal cross section, which creates a Allen key. We can check distance 15, 60 and a radius of 5. New part, sketch, vertical line, horizontal line, and fillet of radius 5. Smart dimension 15, 60. Sketch is completed. Finish. Now to have cross section, we have to give new plane which is normal to curve. Plane is created. We will again click on sketch. We will select this plane now. For hexagon, select polygon. Smart dimension. The side is of 3 mm. Close sketch. Now select sweep command. Click OK. Now it is asking for path. I select path. Accepted. Now it is asking for cross section. I select this cross section. You can see the Allen key is completed now.